4 hours. That's how long it took me to make my first ever money on the internet. I have no big audience, I have spent zero on the ads. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, the product, the platform, the strategy, everything. But before we get into the video, here's a quick disclaimer for you. This isn't a how to get rich online video. This is not a Gumroad tutorial. This is just me showing you exactly what I did when I launched my first digital product. The real process, the real number, no exaggeration. If you are someone want to make your first sale online and has no idea where to start, this video is for you. So few months ago, I built a theme page called Rewrite Minds. No face, no name, just content about mindset, productivity and self-improvement. I grew it to 17K on Threads. And honestly, Threads felt like a boss level platform. Like it's crazy. People are going viral in under 100 followers. Like if I give you an example, I wasn't different. On my personal page on Threads, I got 47K views and under 100 followers. And on Right Minds, my first page, like I have zero followers, I got 5,000 views on that first post. On first post. So that's the power of Threads, and it's crazy right now. So it is a perfect time to jump on Threads and make your personal brand or make your theme page or make your business around it. So okay, at some point I thought, okay, these people are clearly like what I'm putting out. What if I build something for them? So I built a habit tracker. Now I want to show you what that actually looks like. So here's my Gumroad store. You can see I have two versions of the habit tracker, a free version and a paid version. The free version gives you the core tracker. It is genuinely useful on its own. The paid version is the full system. More features, more depth, more everything. The reason I made a free version is simple. I wanted people to actually use it first, experience it, and then decided if they want to go deeper or not. That's it. No trick, no fake urgency, just hear something useful. So on launch day, I went to Rewrite Minds on Threads, posted valuable content like I always do. Something about building better habits, practical and useful. And then in the comments, not in the main post, in the comments, I dropped the Gumroad link with a simple page. Why comments and not the main post? Because Threads kills your reach if you put the link in the main post. Always put your links in the comments. And then I waited 4 hours later, first sale, $14. From a complete stranger, someone I have never met in my life. Someone who found my content, clicked the link and decided my product was worth that money. So what actually made this work? Three things. First, I built something I actually use myself. The habit tracker isn't something I made up to sell. It's something I built for myself first. And that genuinely comes through when you talk about it. Second, I provided value before pitching. Every single post on Rewrite Minds gives you something useful first. The product pitch comes after. People trust you when you are not constantly selling. Third, Thread is genuinely underrated right now. 17,000 followers, 0 rupees spent. Just consistent content. The platform is growing like crazy and small creators are winning on it right now. If you are not on it, you are leaving a massive opportunity on the table. Since that first sale, I have made a $30 total. Still small, I know that. But every single rupee of that come from something I built myself. From stranger on the internet who found it valuable enough to pay. And now I am building this personal brand with my face and with my name to take it to next level. And all of this is getting documented on this channel in real time. If you want to check out the habit tracker, free version is linked below. Try it, see it if it helps. If you want to follow the journey, subscribe because I am just getting started and the next few months are going to be interesting. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.